What's up, everybody? It's the Strange Vision coming at you today with kind of a tutorial video. Not really, but I just want to show you guys my process of making a YouTube thumbnail. Right here I am going through my video footage trying to find the perfect thumbnail shot. I pre-recorded this while I was making my video, so right here is what I chose to go with. So I am just going to copy this out of QuickTime, and I'm going to go out of QuickTime and I'm going to go into a program that I use. It's a free program for Mac and regular PC. It's called GIMP. It's basically a free version of Photoshop. It does pretty much everything Photoshop does. Here I am setting my size of my image for YouTube. It is 1280 by 720, and I'm just going to copy, or I'm going to paste that thumbnail that I copied into the GIMP program. And here I am resizing my thumbnail to my liking. Right here I'm doing pretty much a little bit of basic color correction. I'm not a expert on editing video or editing pictures, just basically playing around with exposure and contrast and stuff like that. I don't know nothing about any of that stuff. I just basically play around. So here I am adding a text overlay on my thumbnail, which is review, because this is from my Pepsi Nitro drink review video. So this is a review, so I'm going to put text over my photo that says review, resizing it. Place this right here in the corner. Then I'm going to add some edge effect on the text. GIMP, like I said, it's a free version of Photoshop. And it takes a lot of getting used to. I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube on tutorials and how to do things, and it's a lot, but once you get used to it, it's pretty easy. So that's how I made my thumbnail for my recent video. So hope you guys like this kind of tutorial video. Catch you guys next time. Peace out.